this episode, we're going to be having a look at active job continuations, where when a deployment occurs, if it is gracefully stopped, the job, if it is a long-running job beyond 30 seconds, which for Kamal is the default shutdown, so that's a bit of a grace period that a job can finish, then with the continuations, it'll pick up from where it left off. And so in this episode, we're going to be exploring this and also some of the nuances that you do need to be aware of that applies to continuations and just background jobs in general. And this is something that I've come across quite often when I have a long-running job. If a deployment happens during that job, then the job is either lost or it'll retry, having to redo everything again. So I will be starting this off with the fresh Rails 8.1 application. And basically what it'll look like is we'll enqueue a heavy task, and then in the second step, it's going to be doing some iterations. And with the iterations, if we do a Kamal deploy, with this deployment, we would want it to pick up from where it left off. So it's going to shut down those Docker containers and then pick it back up. So already it's shut down the jobs, and the old job server has already been killed, and the new one has picked up. And from the looks of these logs, it never missed a beat. It's continuing on with each one of the steps as if the server never quit. But again, we'll explore some of the nuances with this and just some of the things to be aware of. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.